Smart body, healthier you. Unleash your best with motivation. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized and ready to conquer the world. That's the power of a smart, healthy body. First, start with hydration. Drinking water boosts your metabolism, cleanses your body of waste, and acts as an appetite suppressant. Eating a balanced diet is key. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to fuel your body and mind. Exercise shouldn't be a chore. Find activities you love. Whether it's dancing, running, or yoga, make it fun. Sleep is your body's time to recover. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to recharge your body and enhance your mental clarity. Stress management is crucial. Take time for yourself, meditate, or enjoy a hobby. A calm mind leads to a healthy body. Remember, your journey to a smart, healthy body is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated.